New Style Door Factory was founded in 2002. For its more than 15-year history, our company has gone through a long thorny path to becoming and development. We've started from only one model, and now we have more than 100 models united in more than 12 collections. The model range of our company continues to grow because there is nothing more volatile in the world than fashion and design. Evidently, it's impossible to achieve such great progress without the upgrading of the production facilities. New Style Door Factory is well known among best suppliers of professional equipment such as Barberon, Spain, Homag, Wemhoner, Berkel, Bosch Linnerman, Germany, Saoma, Turkey, Craftmaster, USA. Only high-quality raw materials of domestic and foreign suppliers are used. Depending on construction, New Style Door Factory proposes its customers two types of doors: assembled and flush. Assembled doors consist of separate constructive elements connected with each other. Thanks to the special construction of the assembled doors, there is an opportunity to change a separate element in case of damage. The life cycle of such doors is about 50 years. Flush doors consist of a wooden skeleton made of two-layer spliced pine timbers. As a result, such door is more resistant to mechanical damages and deformations caused by moisture and warmth. Flush doors are filled with high-quality paper honeycomb, which makes it both light and strong. We aspire to provide our customers with high-quality products at the best prices. Creative design solutions and modern engineering technologies will make our products suitable for any interior and will satisfy tastes of the most demanding customers. However, construction and design of the doors can be adapted to the conditions of a specific region. Nowadays, we produce about 100,000 door leaves per month of different sizes and colors. Of course, such volume of production requires excellent sales management. New Style Door Factory is well known in Europe, Asia, Middle East, Africa, and even North America. The daily production capacity of our factory is more than 6,000 doors. That allows satisfying an ever-growing demand of emerging markets. The production of such volume requires a special approach. Hundreds of people who have been growing professionally along with the company are working here. Our slogan, "We aspire to be with you," underlines our energy in the desire to provide our customers with high-quality and affordable products all over the world. Can be surely said that New Style Door Factory is the synonym of the leadership, reliability, progress, and innovations.